Today I will show you how to fix the setup could not download the file DirectX error. This error happens because the DirectX Web Installer needs an internet connection to download files, and sometimes it fails due to network issues. But don't worry, there is an easy fix. Instead of using the Web Installer, we will use the DirectX Offline Installer. First, download the DirectX End-User Runtime Offline Installer. You will find the download link in the description. Once the file is downloaded, right-click on your desktop and create a new folder. Now, extract all the files from the downloaded zip into that folder. Open the folder and look for DXSetup.exe. Double-click it and complete the installation. Because all required files are already inside the folder, you will not get the "could not download the file" error. That's it. Your DirectX issue should now be fixed. If this video helped you, please like it. If you still face issues or have any questions, comment below. And don't forget to subscribe, because all errors must be fixed. See you in the next video.
To be what I want, I'll keep dreaming on. And I'm staying strong, need to move on. To be what I want, I'll keep dreaming.